As you can see, we've already replaced the transverse rebar with the glass reinforced rebar. And we'll be inserting this anchor through the hole where the original Jbolt was. You can drill a new 5/8 inch diameter hole if necessary. The blade has turned and we can feel that the anchor is secure, so we're going to tighten this top nut to the bottom of the bottom plate. We're going to tighten until it's nice and snug, approximately 30 foot-pounds of torque. And now we adjust the bottom nuts to make sure that they'll be secure to the rebar, and we'll secure with a zip tie. Again, my name is David Pounders, and you can reach out to me for further specifications or installation guidance. This anchor bolt replaces up to a 5/8 Jbolt, a 3/4 inch wedge anchor, or select Simpson structural ties with an additional adapter plate.